Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the Timberk air conditioner remote control. This is the on off button of the air conditioner. With the help of this button we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the modes of the air conditioner. Each time you press this button, the air conditioner switches to the next mode. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. First, we will explain the most commonly used cooling mode. We press the mode button, and when the cursor stops in front of the word cool on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. We recommend that you set the temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want to reduce the energy consumption of the air conditioner, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the air conditioner temperature below 22 degrees Celsius can cause colds. With the help of the fan button, we can change the speed of the air conditioner fan. The fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. Sometimes, when the weather is too hot, we press the super button to intensify the cooling. In the super mode, the air conditioner fan speed is increased to maximum, and after 15 minutes of the operation in this mode, it returns to previous fan mode. When the echo button is pressed, the cursor stops in front of the word echo. In this mode, the air conditioner works by saving energy. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button. The swing button is used to move the blinds and change the direction of the air coming out of the air conditioner. The sleep button is used to ensure a comfortable sleep. When this button is pressed, the cursor stops in front of the word sleep. Let's say that we have set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius in cooling mode, and we press the sleep button. After the air conditioner has been operating for about 2 hours, the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree. After a few hours, it will raise again by 1 degree. To exit this mode, you need to press the sleep button again. We press the mode button once, as the cursor stops in front of the word dry. This is the drying mode. This mode is designed to reduce the humidity in the room. We press the mode button again, and the cursor stops in front of the word fan. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. We press the mode button again, and the cursor stops in front of the word heat. This is the heating mode. In this mode, we set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. Setting the fan speed in auto fan speed mode in heating mode allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently, because in this mode, the fan speed of the air conditioner is adjusted by the microprocessor according to the condensation temperature. For this reason, the outdoor unit of the air conditioner becomes covered with snow only when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. Low, medium, high, and auto fan speed mode. In addition, we would like to note that in heating mode, unlike cooling mode, the air conditioner must operate for at least 20-40 minutes to reach its nominal power. We press the mode button again, and the cursor stops in front of the word feel. This is auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature around 24 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode. And if it is higher, it will operate in cooling mode. Now we will explain the timer mode. With the help of this button, we can turn on and off the air conditioner at a desired time. For example, if we want the air conditioner to turn on after 10 hours while it is in standby mode, when we press the timer button, using the temperature buttons, set the timer to 10 hours and press the timer button to confirm. The cursor stops in front of the word timer on. Our air conditioner will turn on after 10 hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the timer button again. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off after 5 hours while it is running, we press the timer button and set it to 5 hours using the temperature buttons and press the timer button to confirm. The cursor stops in front of the timer off mode. The air conditioner will turn off after 5 hours of operation. To exit this mode, you need to press the timer button again. Sometimes, when we want to limit the use of the air conditioner remote control, we press these two buttons at the same time and all the buttons are locked. To unlock, you need to press these buttons again at the same time. Thank you for following us until the end.